words fall out of my mouth. They drift to the ground and they don't make a sound. I try to sample them back to the place in my head, but I feel that I lie. The proper speak that I need to narrate the scene, to tell you these things. The proper place for my thoughts. I know that I'm not, you know that I'm not. So good and transparent, I'll try, but I can't promise it. So tight, but I can't realize around the edges and down my mind. No, I'm not. You can try to smooth me down, but I'm not ready to fall. You can try to smooth me down. Take back all that I said. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It's not like me to pretend, but the best part of me is the worst I can get. But you make me so terrified. I tried to reply, but I'm shaking inside. You gave me a tongue just to tie. I'll swallow my pride if you swear not to lie. Hard to read and hard to speak to, but don't take my line, because I'm honestly so bored of being misunderstood. I'm not so good and transparent. I'll try, but I can't promise it. So tight, but I can't realize around the edges and down my mind. No, I'm not. You can try to smooth me down, but I'm not ready to forget. You can try to smooth me down, but I'm not. No, I'm not. You can try to smooth me down, but I'm not ready to forget. You can try to smooth me down. You can try to smooth me down. No, I'm sorry.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. then hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Gave you up about 21 times.
Felt those lips, tell me 21 lies.
You'll be the death of me.
Sage advice. Love and you could make Jesus cry.
When I hear you saying darling, your kiss is like an antidote.
Fighting like I'm Ollie, but you got me on the road.
I never needed you like I do right now. I never needed you like I do right now.
I never hated you
like I do right now. 'Cause all you ever do is break me. All you ever do is break me. Couldn't hear the thunder,
but I heard your heart race.
Couldn't see the rain.
We're too busy making hurricanes. Yeah.
Love ain't easy when it ain't my way,
but it gets hard
when you ain't here making me crazy.
Baby, say the word, darling. You know just how to hold the sucker down.
So I'll see you in the morning. I can't watch you walk out.